Your Excellency Dr. William Samoei Ruto, the President of the Republic of Kenya, my brother Honorable Gideon Mung'aro, Governor Kilifi County, Cabinet Secretaries present, Honorable Members of Parliament, other governors from neighboring counties, members of County Assembly, representatives of partners and investors, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Today marks yet another milestone in Kilifi County's transformative journey, a journey fueled by bold vision, and the bearer being the Governor of Kilifi, who has an unwavering determination and a meaningful partnership. This gathering of minds and resources under the theme Accelerating Economic Growth through Partnership reflects Kilifi's readiness to step into its destiny as a hub of innovation, investment, and growth, not just for Kenya, but for the region and the world. Allow me to commend my brother and Governor, the Honorable Gideon Mung'aro, for his leadership and vision in convening this conference. My brother, your efforts are building on a foundation laid over the years and positioning Kilifi as a beacon of great opportunities. Kilifi is not just a place on the map. It's a story of resilience, rich culture, and endless possibilities. Few counties in Kenya are strategically endowed as Kilifi. From its breathtaking coastline and vast blue economy potential to its agricultural riches and renewable energy prospects, Kilifi is a place where opportunities meet ambition. Our history reminds us of Kilifi's pioneering spirit. It is here that Christianity and education first took root in Kenya, at Rabai. It is here that seafarers and explorers left a legacy of trade and commerce. And it is here today that we convene to reimagine Kilifi's future as an investment hub. But beyond this, beyond its resources and history, Kilifi's greatest asset is its people, the youthful, skilled, and hungry for opportunities. They are ready to partner with investors to create businesses that uplift not just Kilifi, but the nation at large. Your Excellency, ladies and gentlemen, our Constitution, through Article 174, established devolution to bring governance and development closer to our people. But the promise of devolution cannot be realized by government alone. It requires collaboration with the private sector to unlock resources, expertise, and innovation. As a former governor of Kilifi, I can attest to the transformative power of investments. The first International Investment Conference, held here in 2016, attracted impressive investments. Today, Governor Mung'aro's leadership is taking Kilifi to even greater heights. This conference offers a platform. This conference offers a platform for investors to explore new frontiers in renewable energy, agriculture, manufacturing, tourism, and the blue economy. These investments are not just about profits. They are about transforming lives, building infrastructure, and creating sustainable solutions to the challenge of today and tomorrow. To our esteemed investors, let me say this: Kilifi is open for business, and so is Kenya. The Senate, which I'm privileged to lead, is committed to creating an enabling environment for investments. Through legislative oversight, resource allocation, and policy frameworks, we are ensuring that counties like Kilifi have what they need to attract and sustain investment. For instance, just yesterday, His Excellency the President assented to 3 pieces of legislation, one of them being the Division of Revenue Amendment Act 2024, that opens door for disbursements of 387 billion on equitable share of revenue to counties for the financial year 2024-2025, and signaling our commitment to ensuring counties are adequately funded. The others are the National Rating Act 2024 and the Water Amendment Act 2024, are similarly timely, as all have a direct bearing on the service provision in counties. Your Excellency, ladies and gentlemen, as we chart Kilifi's investment future, we must also recognize the challenges that lie ahead. Chief among them, climate change. Kilifi's key sectors, that is tourism, agriculture, and blue economy, are deeply climate sensitive. The conservation of mangroves, marine biodiversity, and promotion of renewable energy are not just priorities, they are necessities in this country. As investors, you have the opportunity to align your ventures with sustainable practices that benefit both your businesses and the planet. Imagine Kilifi as a leader in clean energy, a champion of climate action, and a hub of green investment. That future is not far off. It starts here today with all of us. Your Excellency, ladies and gentlemen, this is our moment. Kilifi has rolled out the red carpet. The governor has rolled out the red carpet for you to explore, engage, and invest. Let us seize this opportunity to build partnerships and accelerate economic growth, create jobs, and uplift communities. Let us make Kilifi a shining example of what is possible when vision meets action and when investments are driven by purpose. I call upon Kilifi's leadership to demonstrate its commitment to addressing bottlenecks and creating a seamless experience for investors and align its policies to global best practices. I also urge you to use every opportunity to nurture partnerships between government and investors, between communities and businesses, and between vision and action. As Speaker of the Senate, I assure you of our unwavering support. Governor, you have our unqualified support as a Senate. The Senate stands as a partner, an ally, and an advocate for investments and transform lives and drive Kenya's progress going forward. In closing, I invite you to dream big with Kilifi. Explore the possibilities, connect with the people, and be part of the story of transformation that we are writing today. And just like it has been put as a practice, you must end with Swahili. Mimi nataka niseme hivi nikimalizia. Wahenga wanasema ukitaka kuitwa babu, lazima ukubali msichana wako aolewe. Huwezi kutaka kuitwa babu na kila siku wavulana wakija pale nyumbani unawafukuza. Governor Mung'aro ametia sahihi makubaliano na kampuni kadha wa kadha. Na kuna kitu ambacho kimefurahisha kwamba sehemu ya Kaloleni kuna ardhi zaidi ya ekari 3,000 ambayo wenyeji wako tayari itumike kwa minajili ya maendeleo. Itakuwa ni jambo la kufadhaisha la aibu kwamba governor ataenda mbio kama vile tumeona akitembea. Aweke mikakati, aweke ruwaza yake mbele, halafu wakati anakuja nyanjani anapata vizuizi. Wawekezaji waje na wakose pahala pa kuweka zile investment zao. Kwa hivyo ikiwa kweli tunataka kukumbatia hawa wawekezaji na ikiwa kweli tunataka maendeleo ije Kilifi, hatuna budi wakati wawekezaji wakija, vile vitu ambavyo wanahitaji lazima tusipeane. Tusiwe kama yule mtu ambaye alikuwa anataka kuitwa babu lakini binti yake hataki kumwoza. Kwa hiyo mengi machache, Mwenyezi Mungu atubariki sote. Asanteni sana.